Today is November 13, 2024 and mag-1 month na since nung nag-punch listing kami. So yung punch listing namin was October 15, 2024. And by the way, if you want to see that, kung gusto nyo mapanood, ilalagay ko siya sa taas dito. Or mas maganda, tapusin nyo yung video, include ko siya dun sa last part nung video para kung gusto nyo makita yung punch listing, you can also watch that. So wala pang update regarding sa final inspection ng unit. So kung napanood nyo yung punch listing video na in-upload ko, yung unang upload ko dito sa channel, meron akong mga nailista na kailangan ipaayos, and as of now wala pang update, pero meron tayong question dun sa video na yon, and then yun yung itatackle natin dito sa video today. Yung question niya is, ilalagay ko dito but babasahin ko rin. So yung question niya is kung meron bang sinabi na estimated time frame kung kailan matatapos yung ipapagawa at yung final inspection. So dito, hindi ko alam kung hindi lang ako nakikinig ng maayos or hindi nabanggit, pero wala akong matandaan na sinabing time frame, pero may sinabi silang date, which is possibly yun na rin yun. Meron silang sinabing target date sa akin, which I think November 25 or 26, hindi ko na siya masyadong tanda, pero it's around 40 days from the day of punch listing. Ayun, meron silang sinabing target date which pwede pang ma-delay or pwedeng mas mapaaga, depende na lang dun sa dami ng ipapagawa and sa lagay din ng panahon, of course. And naisipan ko actually mag-email sa kanila to ask for any kind of update regarding dun sa bahay, sa unit na pina-punch list nga. And as of them, yung reply nila, by the way, popost ko na lang or ilalagay ko rin dito yung screenshot, pero yung sabi nila is nasa repair group na yung unit, and as mentioned nung punch listing is merong or 40 days yung standard repair days ng engineering. So to answer the question dun sa nagtanong dun sa video, it's 40 days na time frame. Actually, nung nag-email ako, dun ko lang nalaman na merong 40-day na standard time frame silang binibigay for any kind of repairs. Again, yun nga, pwede siyang mapaaga or ma-delay, depende na lang sa dami ng ipapagawa and sa lagay din ng panahon. So yun, ako hindi ko na ina-expect na mapaaga since medyo maulan and sunod-sunod yung mga dumaan na bagyo recently. So yun, I'm expecting an update from them ng November 25 or 26, and of course yung final inspection mismo is i-vlog din natin yan, ipopost ko siya dito sa YouTube, and hopefully maging okay lahat, wala nang maging issue dun sa final inspection para diretso turnover na and we can proceed sa next steps. So kung umabot ka sa part na to ng video, I would like to thank you for tuning in, and sana may naitulong din ako kahit papano. And I would also like to add na meron akong ginagawang document. It's a file wherein ini-include ko yung mga proseso, yung details ng proseso na pinagdaanan namin from the start. So after kami mag fully paid ng equity up to this day wherein naghihintay kami ng date for the final inspection, and I will update it from time to time kapag meron ng update sa proseso na pinagdadaanan namin. So I think that would help kung sino man yung makakita and gustong magkaroon ng idea dun sa proseso from start to finish, of course. And i-include ko siya dun sa next video, share ko siya sa next video na i-upload ko dito sa channel. So if you would like to see that, of course subscribe, and if you have any kinds of comments, suggestions, and questions, of course, feel free to drop it down the comment section. Gagawin ko yung best ko para ma-provide yung answer. Again, hopefully may naitulong ako, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!